Hi everyone, Madhvi, a complete lifestyle coach here. Welcome to another video of mine. Today I'm going to talk about something that is really dear to me, telling your life story. Many years back, when I was sitting on the banks of the river at Nepal, I was sitting there lost in life. That was a time when I was really depressed. It was the 26th of April 2015 and I was in the middle of an earthquake. The whole of Nepal was under this tragedy and I was right in the center of it. It was late in the evening and I was sitting at the banks of the river not understanding where life is taking me, what I am doing with my life. I used to always think that yeah, I got a job, I got money, that's enough. What else do I need in my life? But there is something more that I need to do that constantly came to me. I never listened to that voice before, but it always would tell me that there is something more to life than what you are just doing. You're not born to just do a job, you're born to do something more. And each and every one of us is born to do something in their life. And I feel that when we tell our story, whatever our story is, each of us have their own unique, beautiful story to tell. When we tell our story, other people get motivated by it. When I was sitting at the banks of the river, I realized that I was just running the mill of life like everyone else. People are just living day to day, finishing off life, finishing off responsibilities, buying a house, buying a car, getting married, having kids. Yes, those are wonderful things and I wish everybody have all those wonderful things. But there is something more. There is something more to each and every one of our lives. And it is time for us to start searching for it. And we can begin by searching for it by telling our story. You don't know whom it inspires, who gets convinced to do something very small, maybe a very small step, which could be a very big impact in their life. Sitting at the banks of that river, I realized that I am stuck in a tragedy right now. But if I get out of here, by God's grace, if I get out of here, I am not going to live the same life I have been leading from so many years. I need to make the changes. I need to find my purpose. I need to move forward in life. Yes, I have done great. Yes, I have done wonderful. I would give myself a pat for that. But I need to do way more better. I need to do much better in my life. And that is where came lifestyle coaching. That is where the inspiration for coaching came. I wanted to transform millions and millions of people's lives. There are so many people who are stuck in problems, stuck in troubles, having trouble with their relationships, having trouble with themselves, not understanding themselves. I wanted to coach and guide people in that area. That came to me. What is your story? What came to you? Maybe you're sitting right there and thinking of a dream you had from so many years, but you have not been working on it. You thought of one fine day you will start working on it. Maybe that fine day is today. Maybe that fine time is right now. So I think you should step up, step out, move forward. Tell your story to people, inspire people, and live your life's purpose. Trust me, it is a wonderful experience. Yes, you will have ups and downs, but all that is part of the game, and you will have an amazing life to live. And you will be proud of yourself. You will be proud of every single thing you do. And every morning when you get up, you will feel amazing. You will feel so thankful that you have one more day to do what you love doing. That is how I feel. Let me know in the comment section below how you feel and what are the changes that you want in your life. Let me know if you want to transform your life, if you want any changes in your life, and if any way I can be of help, I can be of service to you, because I really want to impact and transform people's lives. I don't want people to live the same life once they have met me. I want you to feel that shift in your life and transform your life completely. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and LinkedIn. Watch my website madhavilifestylecoach.com. And I have a special invitation to everyone. I'm launching my brand new coaching program online so that you can sit in the comforts of your home and transform your life. I'm coming up with a special unconditional self-love program. If you want self-love, if you want something that has been missing in your life from so long, come join me in this journey and come, let's transform our lives together. Thank you so much. I will be putting up more information about this in the next videos. Thank you so much for watching my video. Thank you so much for following me. And thank you so much for spending your time with me. This is Madhvi, a complete lifestyle coach, signing off for now. Take care. Bye-bye.